Hey there, Michelle Kind here, just coming to you live. Just had a quick minute. I noticed that my phone is like at 8%, so I'm going to be real quick. But I wanted to do this in a longer series, so what I'm going to do is just share a little bit of something with you right now, and then I will pick up again tomorrow morning. But my title was We Are Unstoppable, and the reason why I chose that topic is because if you were on Brian Finelli's call this morning, the wake-up call, that's what he talked about. He said, I am unstoppable. And it was really relatable to me in my personal life. Anyone who knows me knows that I don't take no for an answer, that I'm pretty much a go-getter. And so I thought it was something I wanted to talk about. It was just be kind of fun. But I'm sitting here at my son's game, and it was not supposed to rain that I know of, but it's downpouring. And oh, here comes my daughter. Hi, honey. But it's downpouring right now, and we are just getting ready to start, so they are playing in the rain. But I wanted just to do this quick video and tell you guys that I was here, first of all, and that I'll continue this again tomorrow. But we are having a webinar tonight that I invite any of you out to. Ryan McMorris is going to be talking about how to do Facebook Lives, and he's going to show you exactly how to position yourself doing that, tips and tricks on you know, his strategy. And so go ahead and click the link that I provided. I think you would be pleased to join in on one of our webinars, get a lot of helpful tips and information. So I am going to let you go. I know my phone's going to die. I dropped it in the water yesterday, so I'm surprised it's even working. But it looks like the rain cleared up. I'm just going to flip the camera here real quick, and you can see kind of where I'm at right now. Okay, well, there's the boys out there on the field, but they are unstoppable. They're going to probably just play until they can't anymore, and I kind of took a little bit of a drive here to get here. So I will continue this tomorrow. Thanks for jumping on, Carrie and Mary. Good to see both of you on here. So I will talk to you soon, but go ahead and grab the link, get on the webinar. It's a free webinar. I know the seats fill up fast, so go ahead and reserve your spot. And even if you don't make it to the webinar tonight, you can probably get a replay in the next day or two. All right, I'm going to go for now. Thanks for jumping on. Bye for now.